Let's take a look at some of our score pads and score sheets. If you've ever played in a tournament, these will be very familiar to you. It's a great way to record your games, whether you're playing a tournament or just playing casually, and be able to go back and do analysis on them later and find mistakes. The first one that you see here, this is our carbonless score sheet. And this comes in packs of 100, and each sheet has the front page, which is the white page, and then underneath you have a yellow page. Now there's no carbon sheet in these, yet when you make a mark on these or you record a move, you'll notice that carries over to the yellow sheet as well. So the player could keep the white sheet, the yellow sheet could be submitted to the tournament director or to a teacher if it's being used in a school. All the relevant information, date, the event, the round, the board, which opening was played, time control, who was white and black. There's location for signatures at the bottom of the card. This particular sheet will record 60 moves. And so these are very convenient. They're great if you want to have duplicate copies and be able to submit one and turn it in. Again, they're sold in packs of 100. Then we move up to our Wholesale Chess score pad. Now this is a glue bound, and there's 100 sheets in here. Same type of idea. This one will actually record 50 moves and has all the relevant information, and then when you're done with playing the move, you'll just come in and you can just tear one off here. This comes with 100 sheets per pack, so it's great if you're running a big tournament, if you have a class that you want to do and want to be able to get an inexpensive pad. No copy with this, like on the carbon copy one, but very popular, probably our most popular selling score sheet. Then we have a soft copy or a softback spiral bound scorebook. Now, as it says right here on the cover, this has room for 50 games, and there's space for 100 moves plus a diagram. So the front page has the first 50 moves. You could flip it over. There's the remaining 50 moves and a location to put the diagram. Sorry, you can't see that. The diagram at the end of the game you could record here. The great thing about this is that it is spiral bound. It's easy to just get right to where you want to be. It lays flat, and it'll allow you to record 50 games. It is a soft paper cover, so it can get banged up and damaged easy if you're hauling it around in a book or a bag. That's the one downside to this one. This one comes in 4 different colors. You've got the blue that you see here. We also have a yellow, kind of a bright yellow, a cream or a buff color, and then we have an orange color as well. So that comes in all 4 colors. Then we have a hardcover scorebook, and we've got one here as an example. This one has 100 games in it as well, and this one records 80 moves per game, again with a diagram in it where you can just write down the ending of the position. The disadvantage of this one is it's you have to kind of break that spine in until it will lay flat. So initially you kind of have to put something on it and kind of hold it down as you're playing and making a move. Eventually that spine will break in and the book will lay flat. The advantage is it's a nice hardcover book, something that you could keep for a long time. It's not going to get damaged or bent when you throw it in your bag and carry it around to your tournaments. So this is the 4 different types of score books and score pads. Just really depends on what you're looking for. Anywhere from the carbonless all the way up to the hardcover score book. They all work the same way, and I think we'll be happy with all of them.